what is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoy what you see. And we have that notification bell, so be sure to hit that bell to be notified as soon as we have any new and upcoming content, as well as that new join button, you guys. We are looking for more Shade Gang members, so be sure to check out those tiers if you haven't already. And also, hello, new merch. Any of you guys checked out our new store? We've got so much new hot merch uploaded to our store that I would love for you guys to check out. If you haven't guessed already, that is right. We have brought back the dead, I guess we could say. Today, our special guests, Hector and Miguel from Coco.
Hello.
Hola, señorita.
Ah, hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
All right, so I think we have the perfect shoes for the two of you to bring back with you when I send you back home. Happy to have you on our show today, though. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for letting me finally come to the land of the living for once.
I know the struggle was real for you, Hector. I really know it was hard. We got your portrait up thanks to Miguel, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
I hope you got a good picture of me.
The only picture you gave me.
Maybe we could get a shot of the two of you in some Air Jordan 1s in your next shot, huh?
Yeah, Hector definitely needs some kicks on his feet.
But I have flat feet. They're not high arches.
Very, very flat. All right, you two. So we are going to start off with the overview of the shoes. Then we're going to jump into sizing as well as how we styled these. It looks like, Hector, your clothes are falling apart. So maybe we can send you off with some new clothes.
Give me a break. Yeesh. I just traveled between astral planes. I'm very tired. My bones hurt.
All right. It's okay, Hector. I get it. You're tired. You're tired. So then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. I know these shoes launched a while back. We have been overloaded on ShadeTV with shoes. So I'm just glad that we're able to get this. So let's get into this overview. Let me know, you two, what you think on the thoughts on the colorway of this shoe. Is it for you?
I like the marigold. Is that the name of the flower?
So actually the marigold is in the inside of the insole of the left shoe. And this is a very special flower. It was actually, I think, shown throughout Coco. Am I correct?
Yes, and this time I won't fall through them.
We'll see. So for those of you who don't know what shoes these are, this is the Dia de los Muertos shoe in the Air Jordan 1 mid. This is in the grade school sizing. So October 31st through November 2nd is when this is celebrated in Mexico. And it's a very representative shoe of family. So we're rocking the family here today, you two.
And our family makes shoes.
And they get stuck in the ceiling.
Yeah, Rivera for the win.
So we actually have the Familia here on the side on that mud guard, which is another key point here that we are being super thankful of the past and present family members that we have in existence. And so we've got this crackled look, which gives me this kind of aged effect and makes it very vintage, actually. I do like how it's also on the swoosh there. What do you think about that crackling, you two?
It reminds me of Hector. He has a lot of cracks in his skin.
I have no skin, chamaco.
Yeah, pretty crackled, aren't you? So I guess this represents your skin there. Yeah, very, very close. Let's hold it up to you. Yeah. So then we have some nice, just simple black laces with, again, this beautiful yellow color on the front with the Air Jumpman logo there. And we've got this beautiful kind of wine coloring scheme, wineish purple on the medial and lateral side of the shoe. And then we've also got that same coloring scheme on the outsole with a simple, just plain white midsole. And the leather feels a little bit stiffer in my opinion. I do like to tell you guys that, you know, depending on what silhouette you're getting, this is definitely not a tumbled toe box where the white leather is. It's kind of rough. It feels like it's gonna take some time to break in, but all of the materials and coloring schemes are super bright. This is to actually represent the altars and how much the altars mean to those who are respecting, basically those who have passed on. So,
Hey Miguel, you remember to put on my picture this year, right?
Yeah.
Oh no.
oh, not again. All right, well, we're gonna take a photograph of you, Hector, in the shoes, so you'll have a new one.
Get my good side.
You don't have a good side.
I didn't think so. All right, so as far as the insole here, oh, sorry, Hector, you almost fell. I don't want to break your bones.
He's already broken.
Well, there's no secondary marigold flower on this insole, but we do have that yellow tone on the insole here. And for those of you who don't know, I can squeeze into a 7 youth, and these are a 7 youth grade school sizing. So I would definitely say recommending to stay true to size, though for kids, I am able to somehow squeeze into a 7 youth. Other than that, these did come in adult sizes, so I would say stick true to size. All right, this one's for you, Hector. We're gonna talk about styling and how we can maybe upgrade your closet.
Why do you keep ragging on my clothes?
Because there are holes everywhere. All right, so first up, we're gonna start with the Grateful Dead. Yes, I think this is perfect fit for you because you're dead and you're grateful. No?
I'm not going to dignify that with a response.
Well, the Grateful Dead sweatsuit that I wore is amazingly colorful, and I feel like because these shoes are so vibrant, it really popped with the coloring scheme in the top and bottom that I wore. We've got bright pops of pink and blue and green and yellows, and we've got the cute little bears on the side of those pants. So I thought, what better than to bring some good bright color palettes to the mix for this first look. For the next look, I chose a more subdued look. So, hey, Hector, if you don't want to rock something that says dead on it, I get it. We already know. You could also wear a nice beige sweatsuit, which is by Essentials. And that's a crew neck sweat top, as well as just some beige sweatpants to match. I paired that also with just a nice simple gray sweater because it's freezing outside and you just obviously need a second layer out here in New York right now. For the last and final look, I wore a little dressier look. We've got, you know, if you are interested in wearing a dressier skirt or dress, Hector, I don't know. That is another option for you, but I have a black hooded skirt with lace underneath a nice long gray trench coat. you guys let me know at the end what was your top pick out of those 3 outfits. Other than that, we are now going to move on to our resale. These shoes retailed at $100, which is a great price point for an Air Jordan 1 mid. Currently on the resale market, if you weren't able to cop these, it's not too much out of, you know, the mix of being able to afford these. They're pretty affordable. So it's going between $115 to $185 depending on what your shoe size is. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, as we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. And as always, give it a thumbs up, you guys. These thumbs ups do mean the world to the channel and do help this video get viewed more often. So be sure to leave a thumbs up if you haven't already, and leave me any comments or questions down below if you have any. As always, check out that join button and our merch to see what the Shade Gang is all about. Thank you so much, Miguel and Hector, for joining us today. I think it's time to maybe get into your 2 comfort zones, which is we're going to sing a duet to introduce the next characters on our show. Are you ready?
Vamos, Miguel.
Let's do this. If there's something strange in the neighborhood, who you gonna call?
Cazafantasmas.
If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call?
Cazafantasmas.
I
I'm not afraid no ghost. You tell me that it's red, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. Where should I put my shoes, ay mi amor, ay mi amor? You say put them on your head, ay mi amor, ay mi amor.